Artificial intelligence is not coming. It's already here. And the most important question is no longer what AI can do, but what kind of human you choose to be. Many people ask, what skill should I learn to stay relevant?
But relevance is not a skill, it's a mindset.
Specific tools will change. Ways of thinking will last. AI replaces tasks, not understanding. People who see systems instead of instructions remain valuable. Ask, how does this work? Why does it matter? Where does it break? The goal is not to compete with AI, it's to multiply yourself with it. One person with AI can now design, write, analyze, and create at scale. Judgment, creativity, ethics, context. These are not weaknesses, they are advantages. AI has intelligence. Humans have wisdom. The AI era rewards patience over panic, learning over reacting, direction over speed. Those who think long-term will always stay ahead. The future is not automated, it's shaped. And the most important system in the age of AI is still the human mind.